This video is on question 41 from the 2013 IMAT paper. In this question we're asked which of the following comes immediately after anaphase in mitosis, and we're given a list of potential answers. So below I've drawn a pie chart showing the cell cycle, and as you can see, interphase takes up about 75% of the cell cycle. In interphase, this is where the DNA is replicated and the cell grows in size, and this is all in preparation for mitosis and cytokinesis, especially where the cell divides. So, what is this first stage of mitosis? Prophase. And prophase is the phase in which the chromosomes condense and become visible, so they can now be seen under a microscope. The nuclear envelope breaks down, the nucleolus disappears, and the spindle fibre starts to form. Okay, so what comes next? Metaphase. In metaphase, the spindle fibre attaches to the centrosome of each chromosome and pulls each chromosome onto what is called the metaphase plate or cell equator. That's basically, essentially, the chromosomes become aligned down the middle of a cell. So what's the next step? Anaphase. An anaphase is the phase in which the spindle fibre pulls the chromosomes apart and pulls the sister chromatids, now known as chromosomes, to opposite poles of the cell. And finally, what the question is asking, what comes after anaphase? Telophase. Telophase is the phase in which the chromosomes have reached opposite poles of the cell, and so the nuclear envelope reforms around each set of chromosomes at opposite poles of the cell, and the mitotic spindle breaks down. And then this is followed by cytokinesis, which is where the cell divides. And so, for example, in animal cells, this is done by a contractile actin ring, essentially squeezing the cell in two. And so, as we can see that telophase is the phase which comes immediately after anaphase, this corresponds to answer A.